Wow, this thing real moves. What parts do they use?
I think they use this part.
Phoenix-centered metals makes these parts.
I wonder how this part is made.
What is the process for making your products?
We start with powder mill and then it goes into die cavity. The top ram, it presses down and forms a part. After that, it goes to the furnaces, which hardens it. There it goes either to in-house operation or secondary operations.
What materials do you use to make your items?
Mainly iron that you see is what we use, but then you'll add in copper, yep, or the nickel, okay, and those then in the furnace bond together and form a new material.
How hot does the temperature have to be able to center the metal?
2050 degrees for approximately 30 minutes. You saw the powder, okay? So the powder, if you look here in the beginning, so this is if you take a look at the furnace, all right, and you cut through it. So this is the inside the tube. So if you look down through here, that's what this is doing right here, going down through the furnace. And what it's doing is it's changing this iron into a steel.
This is 4301s, and the die is very, very heavy. So I use a hoist to lift this off of here. And then you have your pin, your bottom punch, your top punch. And this is what it makes from our machine. And then they send them out.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
The stuff we make, if we didn't have manufacturing, then we wouldn't be where we are today.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Not only because it's fun with what we do and the physics and the chemistry, but the ability to allow society to expand.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
That we get to see a variety of parts come in, where the parts go.
Wow, we really learned what's so cool about manufacturing.